Okay, so real talk. I have been wanting to make my own music for so long, like I have melodies in my head all the time. I hum stuff in the shower, I hear a vibe and think, I could make something with that. But the second I open a DAW, complete blank. Too many buttons, zero idea where to start. So I went looking for something that would actually let me just make music. Without a music degree. Without spending hours on tutorials. And I found InsMello. And honestly, I kinda can't stop using it. Let me show you exactly how it works, step by step, so you can make your own song by the end of this video. So, InsMello is an AI music creation app, and it's genuinely made for people like us. Not music producers, just people who have a vibe they want to turn into a real song. You can write your own lyrics and let the AI create the full melody and arrangement around them. You can describe a mood or a scene, or, and this is my favorite, you can upload a photo, and it will generate music based on the emotion of the image. We're going to try all of these features today. It's free to download. Just search for InsMello on the App Store or Google Play, or visit insmello.com. I'll also leave the link in the description. Alright, let's make something. Okay, so the first thing InsMello asks you to do is choose your style. I'm going to pick indie pop. Next, choose a mood. I'm going with nostalgic. Then, choose your tempo. I'll go with medium. Those three choices are all you need. They're the foundation of your song. Now, let's add the actual content. Now, I'll write a short example verse for the lyrics. Driving home on a Friday night. Let's hit generate and see what happens. See how descriptive that is? The more specific and emotional your description, the more personal your track is going to feel. And this is the part I'm always genuinely excited for because I never fully know what I'm going to get. Alright, here it is. Listen to this. Okay, wait, that intro, those chords, that is exactly the vibe I described. I wrote those lyrics like 5 minutes ago, and now there's an actual produced song built around them. I didn't touch an instrument, I didn't program a single note. And look, you can see here in the editor that InsMello has broken the track into sections. You have full control, but the heavy lifting is done. Another feature is low-key my favorite. It analyzes the emotions, color palette, and overall atmosphere of an image, then generates music that matches it. InsMello can turn that into music too. Same idea. It reads the emotion of the image and builds a track around it. Okay, listen to this. Listen! It heard the warmth. It heard that bittersweet feeling. By simply uploading a photo or image, InsMello AI generates music inspired by what it sees in the picture, capturing its visual mood and atmosphere through sound. Isn't that amazing? Okay, real honest reaction time. I've played around with a bunch of AI music tools and a lot of them feel very generic. InsMello actually surprised me because the output feels intentional. And now, it's not just a song, it's a finished piece of content. But what if I told you InsMello can turn this into an actual music video too? I tried it, and here's what it made. Okay, that is a full music video visuals, motion, all matched to the song. And I didn't touch an editing timeline once. I went from an idea to a finished song to an actual finished video, all in one place. One thing that's really interesting is that many YouTube creators are now using AI-generated music videos as a way to create content and grow their channels. Instead of spending days producing a music video from scratch, they can generate original music, pair it with AI visuals, and publish it much faster. For creators, this opens up new opportunities to experiment with different music styles, build content consistently, and potentially monetize their channels with original AI-generated content, as long as they follow YouTube's policies and use the tools responsibly. Whether you're making relaxing music, cinematic tracks, or lyric videos, AI can help speed up the creative process and turn your ideas into publishable videos. This is exactly the kind of track I drop under a vlog like this. An original soundtrack instead of another copyright flag song. There are plenty of stock music tracks you can use for your videos or editing projects, but it's even better to use your own original music. music that you created yourself. Is it perfect? Sometimes you'll generate something and want to tweak it. But InsMello has editing tools built in, swap sections, extend the track, isolate vocals or instruments. If you want to turn your own voice, lyrics, a hum, or a random idea into a full song, InsMello is linked below. I've got the web link, the App Store link, and the Google Play link all in the description so you can try the exact features I use today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tools, tutorials, and creative workflows. And let me know in the comments what I should generate next: a prompt, a mood, a meme, or any crazy idea. I'll pick my favorite suggestion and turn it into a future video. Ready to make your own AI music? Download InsMello from the App Store or Google Play Store, or visit the website and enter my invitation code to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Don't really mind. I'm leaving some things that I needed to find.